You're good.
Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 with Coaching with Chris. Alright, so now we're moving on. We prepped the cake, we did the 1-for-1 ratio, we got all that done. Now it's time to connect it. Well, you see here, we already have one set up and connected. That's good, all that good job. We're not gonna switch out a cold brew and just waste all this. But I am gonna show you guys real quick how to properly disconnect and connect all this. But also real quick, what I want to touch on is the dating, which we didn't get to touch on in the last video because it was so cool. The cold brew is good for 7 days. It used to only be 5 days, but it's good for 7 days now. So don't forget that. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys how to disconnect and reconnect this. So it's going to be backwards. Or actually, how about this? I'll do it real quick and then redo it the right way. Okay, so when connecting it, it's going to be black first. Make sure, and when connecting it, pull up like that, put it on, and then press down. Same with gray. Even gray, press down. Alright, and then when you disconnect it, you go opposite. Go gray, and then black. And you just pull up, if I can get it off, there we go, on these little tab things right here. Super easy. So, putting on, black first, then gray, taking off, gray first, then black. And then after you put it on, you want to make sure you prime it. If you prime it, you just hit a little button right there. It's on the prime though, so that's not going to do anything. But another issue we've been having is sometimes when we switch out the kegs and we go to prime it, this button here is flashing and it won't go away, and we've pulled it in, people have come out, and by the time we come out, it's fixed itself. And so they think that like a dent or something. But we did a little research, and when it's doing that, it means there's an error somewhere, and it just needs to reset it. It needs to reset. And so in order to reset it, you want to hold down the button, as if you're going to do like a cleaning cycle on it, but it'll reset the system and then allow you to prime it. So hold it down until the blinking stops, and then prime it. Alright. And another thing I didn't do, because this cake has already been hooked up for a good little bit, is when you do change it over, you want to make sure you clean out this filter. Like I said, this cake was already set up, so I didn't want to take it out and like make a big mess and all that kind of good stuff. But it's super easy. Just unscrew it, rinse it out in some water, and then put it back on. And when you put it back on, you want to make sure you don't hulk it. You know, don't screw it on super tight. Just screw it on tight enough to where it's in place and not moving, but don't force it into place. It's gonna mess stuff up. It's gonna make everything harder for everybody else.
The other thing too is to make sure that you have the lines off of your keg before you take the filter off.
Yes. You don't take this off with it hooked up, or you're gonna have a whole heap of mess. All right. There was one time that it was hooked up, and someone had taken the filter off and cleaned it and put it back on, but when they put it back on, they put it on a little bit twisted, so we primed it, set it all up, and it was just spewing clothes all over the place. So make sure you have the filter properly lined up when you put it back on as well. Alright. Oh, this is our new video for part